Is your iPhone's battery draining away faster than it should? You're not alone. This is a common issue caused by things like background apps, unnecessary settings, and other power-hungry features. But don't stress. Today, I'm here to walk you through 8 easy and effective settings that can help fix battery drain and give your iPhone's battery a much-needed boost. Let's dive in and get your battery life back on track. Solution 1. Disable background app refresh. Background app refresh lets apps update their content even when you're not using them, which can sneakily drain your battery. Here's how to turn it off. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. Finally, select Off to completely disable it. This can stop those hidden processes that eat away at your battery. Solution 2. Turn off Location Services. Location Services uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth to track your location, which can drain your battery quickly if overused. Here's what to do. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Scroll down and tap System Services. Turn off features you don't need like HomeKit or Suggestions and Search. If you don't need location tracking at all times, toggle off Location Services completely. This change alone can save up to 20% or more of your battery. Solution 3. Turn off True Tone and reduce screen brightness. Your display is a major battery drainer, but reducing brightness and disabling True Tone can help. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap and hold the brightness slider. Now toggle True Tone off. After that, open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Adjust the brightness slider to a lower level to save even more power. Solution 4. Disable visual effects. Fancy animations and visual effects might look cool, but they can drain your battery. Let's turn them off. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Motion. Toggle on Reduce Motion to disable unnecessary animations and save power. Solution 5. Enable Auto Brightness. Auto Brightness allows your iPhone to automatically adjust screen brightness based on your surroundings, which can help conserve battery. Here's how to enable it. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down and toggle on Auto Brightness. Solution 6. Turn off Unwanted Push Notifications. Constant notifications can drain your battery because your iPhone is always checking for updates. Here's how to manage them. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications. Look for apps that don't need notifications like the App Store or YouTube. Turn off notifications for those apps to reduce battery usage. Solution 7. Disable automatic downloads. Automatic downloads can quietly run in the background, consuming both power and data. Here's how to stop them. Open Settings, scroll down and tap App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, turn off options like Apps and App Updates. Solution 8. Enable Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode is a handy feature that reduces power usage by disabling non-essential functions. To turn it on, open Settings, scroll down and tap Battery. Toggle on Low Power Mode. This feature dims your display, reduces background activity, and pauses visual effects temporarily. And there you have it. 8 simple ways to tackle battery drain on your iPhone. Try these out and you'll likely notice a big improvement in battery life. If this guide helped too, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with someone else who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.